promise. Basta something huge, but so far this is
Puyat
not.
ako eh. Grabe na puyat ako. Kakatakbo dito sa loob ng bahay namin. Napuyat ako eh.
How I do my clean diet and just my nutrition preferences. Quickly, I want to say 3 things. Number 1, yes, I've been doing a clean diet since 2023. 2 years ago, but I wouldn't say I had the most consistent routine because I traveled a lot then. And when I'm on vacation, clean diet doesn't necessarily exist. Which leads me to number 2. Earlier in the video, I had a text on the screen of the ingredients I try to avoid when I read labels at the back of products we find in grocery shelves. You can go back and screenshot that. I'd say that's a great guide, a great first step, if you will, if you're trying to slowly transition to cleaning up your diet. Basically, I said there,
mapalitan na kita, baby. Nasabi sa'yo.
No food dyes and no seed oils. There's a lot of kinds of seed oils out there, but the most common.
Ano na lang masasabi sa akin ni mama at papa niya?
Number 3 and lastly, do your own research, you guys, especially
sabihin,
in your area. It can be a little overwhelming
na mapul sa iba,
at
di ba?
some point, but take it one step at a time. Remember that. And if you're like me in the US and you have Sprouts near you, then here's my card. The cheat sheet, everything here is clean. It tastes so good. Also, side note, I don't have much protein here.
Ang pagsisisi pa naman lagi na sa uli.
I buy my meat or seafood in Sprouts. I buy them in bulk in Costco, in my local butcher, or even
marami palang YouTuber sa Amerika na ano.
And I still have a lot of stock in my freezer right now as we
ako sa
speak. So
Amerika.
this grocery trip in Sprouts is just really for my snacks, obviously, and some pantry staples and some urgent fresh produce. But yeah, this is an example that you guys can find healthy snacks with real ingredients that are not necessarily junk and toxic for your body.
Abril. O, diba?
Hi guys, my camera died. I got home and now I'm in the middle of cooking one of my favorite comfort foods, sopas. Sorry, hindi ko na napakita sa inyo, pero sobrang dali lang ng sopas, guys. So, pinakuluan ko lang yung chicken ko. Tapos, pag kumulo na and luto na yung chicken, set aside mo lang yung tubig with the chicken.
O, diba?
Tapos,
Maganda siya, diba?
ng garlic, onion, carrots, celery. Tapos, hinimay-himay ko yung